Welcome back to eWeek with GPI. My name is Stacey Russell. I am the Diversity, Inclusion, and Belonging Facilitator here at GPI, and today I have the pleasure of talking with Willie Grimmke. Willie?
Hello, I'm glad you could have me. I am a construction engineer and I act partly as a resident engineer, and I work out of our Albany office here at GPI.
Awesome. Well, Willie, now can you tell us a little bit why you decided to become an engineer? Who or what inspired you?
I suppose becoming an engineer goes back to when I was little. I was the little kid that was playing on the sand pile with the Tonka trucks. And I used to go to visit my grandparents, and my grandfather would take me out. This was in Westchester County to where 684 was being built. So we'd go watch the trucks and all the work going on, and I was totally fascinated by it. And since that time, I've always wanted to spend my career building things, particularly transportation infrastructure.
That is awesome. Thank you, Granddad, for really kind of helping you choose your career, right?
Oh, absolutely. I think I had a natural penchant for that kind of thing anyway and was fascinated by it. And he just sort of egged me on.
That's awesome. So tell us a little bit of what excites you about what you do.
I love going out onto a project site and seeing things actually be built, be it a bridge, a road. I did some airport work early in my career, and then just understanding from the engineering standpoint what you have to do to bring it to fruition, to design it correctly so it can be built.
Wow. So when you see a road that you worked on, does that really like excite you as well?
Oh, absolutely. I'm going to go back to when I was a summer student, when I was in college and I would work construction during the summers. I can still go places and see things that I physically built hands on. But throughout my career, there have been things I've designed and worked on or supervised from a construction standpoint that I can drive by and say, I worked on that. I worked on that. I worked on that. And that does give me still a bit of a thrill, even, after 35 plus years in the business.
35 plus years in the business and you can see the things that you built, that must make you proud.
It is, although there are some things that we built long, long ago that are now getting rehabbed or rebuilt or worked on over again, reconditioned.
Yeah, that makes sense. So you were talking a little bit about you know, your time during the summer when you were working on your construction work. So kind of what kind of encouragement would you give to another young person that is looking at maybe engineering in their career?
I if you're looking at engineering in your career, if you can get an exposure to the industry, even at a low level, I think it gives you a leg up because you understand what it takes to do the work. If you're in construction or you're going to be in construction or civil type work, if you can work for a contractor, even as a laborer or a flagger, being out there and understanding what's happening and how things go together, I think later in your career will give you a better understanding of how to design things and how to do a better job designing things.
Well, Willie, it was exciting talking to you. Thank you very much for your time today.
Oh, my pleasure.